Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a part earlier where I did the inside weave, and the original one looked like this, and somebody said, well, you won't be able to make the lines that color. Well, that's very true, kind of. If you have a line, if you remember, so this is like part 4. This is a 0.1 inch line. You can't use the interactive fill tool on it. It just doesn't work because it's a line. And first of all, that's probably grouped together. Let's ungroup this line. So we got this line. Let's make it a little bit smaller so it'll fit in there. You can see it's a line. So you get the interactive fill tool, and it's not going to do it. Well, if you take that same line, and I don't even think you have to do the old school about filling it in. If you go to object and convert the outline to an object, it's going to be a yellow object. Now, I used to go left click, right click, and then fill in that object. But that's how I used to do it. You don't really have to do that. So now it's an object. You can see down here, now it's a fill. And I wasn't going to make a video just to answer the person's question, but you can, if you were going to do something like this much with this many colors, you could make your own color, and I did, or your own pattern. So with the interactive fill, well, let me pick it. And then go to elliptical, and I'd always put that in the center first. This gives you an egg shape. So go this way. See, I got still a little bit of an egg shape. And then you really, and it doesn't really change too much unless you start putting colors in here, but they're so far out there you can't really see them. So you need to go to one of these presets, and I happen to pick this one, and you get all these blends of colors on a turn. And then I went painstakingly, changed them from, let me zoom in, from their colors in the preset to something that I wanted. Well, guess it help. I said painstakingly because it's going to take a little bit of time. And you can spread these out, more evenly. And this is pretty fun to play with to see what you get. Because if you look over here and look at the colors changing, and you could probably make these more evenly spaced. And I find it just easier to do every other one in yellow and then come back with the other color and just fill it in with, I say, easier. So you're going to see here, I added a color. So you could do that a lot. But see how the color up, I'm going to go ahead and finish it. But what I was trying to get at, and the reason for the video, is you could make your own color. I'm actually going to move that and put an orange between it. See that plus sign? If you get that plus sign, that means just putting colors is adding to the color. So just in a second, we'll have them all done. And we're basically just going around. That's what happens when you miss the spot. So now you have that orangish blend or orangish interactive fill tool. Well, you could go up there and save it. I'm not going to save it because I've already got one saved. But I could save it as different colors. And then let's just do this line. I've already turned it into an object. Let's go to interactive fill tool. And see I got to go interactive fill tool. And you got to tell it where to go until it's elliptical. Put it in the center. Bring this out to there. And then there's some presets. And they're right here. And I added this color. And look at that, I'm done. And see, that matches the interior color, kind of. And you could, well, let's just, real quick, let's just make a new color. Let's go here. Let's fill this in with yellow. Take away the outline. Get the interactive fill tool. Swipe across. Get the elliptical. Put that in the center. Now, I don't really know how they're getting that all those different colors on that arch. If I find out, I'll let you know. But you could go up here and let's pick my new color. But let's just change these to blue. Well, tell you what, let's just do the yellows to blue. And look at this. So if you ended up liking that, let me spread these out a little bit. Almost, so this is what I'm saying about the elliptical. Well, I'm going to get the blue. Let me spread this out a little bit. So let's say you like that. We'll just go up here and there's a plus sign and name it blue. And now when you go back to it, you have that color. Oh no, this is my new one. You know, it might be an alphabetical order because I made this yellow. See, yellow, I have, it's even named yellow, orange fill, blue, or number one fill. So that way you could do that color, do that color, do that. So you can make your own fill. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.